This is a video clip taken during my presentation to the National Convention on Statistics held at EDSA Shangri-La, Mandaluyong last October 2, 2007. It was an ad-lib about talking about my eagerness to graduate college.
Primary data were gathered by farmer interviews using prepared and protested questionnaire, which have questions on farm characteristics, farmers' profile, production practices, and cost and returns. And the sample size determination was we used by Cochrane 1977 with a national proportion of population with rate of interest at 0.05 and specified level of precision at 0.05 with a population size of 142. So the sample size was 49, but however we managed to interview 55 organic farmers, and though the population for conventional farmers is quite big, so we intended to have it proportional. I mean, 45 from the organic, 45 from the inorganic, due to some financial and constraints, as well as the time constraints, because we wanted to graduate. And so that was it. That's the reason for 55 to 55. So 110. Yeah, we wanted to graduate so bad. Methodology, phase 1, farmers' profile and their farms. So descriptive statistical measurements, frequency counts, percentage, mood, means. Phase 2, estimation of production functions of the two rice production systems. Translog production function was used. It is relatively flexible functional form. It does not